Welcome to On the Spot with Streets, presented by the Streets Academy, your go-to source for learning about professional garment care. Let's get started. We have more than a century of experience in the proper care of clothing and textiles, with products and processes that are proven and effective, but need to be used as directed for best results. We recommend watching our stain identification video first. This will ensure you are using the right products and procedures on a stain. Remember, stains can become more difficult if they are old or previously worked on with the wrong procedures, so knowledge is key. Let's get started. Please be sure to read safety data sheets and always use proper personal protective equipment before using any product. Remember, the tougher stains need extra attention or the use of next-level products. If you couldn't completely remove the stain, look for advanced stain removal information in the video description, on our Streets Academy YouTube page, or at forstreets.com. Thanks for trusting us with your garments. We hope that this video has been helpful. Please like and subscribe and follow us for more Streets Academy videos.